Hi, I'm Dr. Franz, and I want to talk to you today about giving water to your newborn. Now, this is something that's really interesting because I was trained and told that newborns don't need water, but yet every mother and grandmother for generations back has all said that newborns need water. Well, that is the truth. They do. Water helps flush out the meconium. It helps prevent jaundice. If a baby is jaundice, it helps treat it. And it's essential for cellular hydration. Now, I had this discussion with another physician, an acupuncture physician years ago, who was telling me that babies need water. And I said, no, they don't. Breast milk is 87% water. Well, it boils down to something this simple. If you have two glasses, one is water and one is breast milk, are they the same? No, they're not. And every single person on this planet needs 50% of their body weight in ounces of water every day, including newborns. And that is dad's job. If mom is breastfeeding, then we don't want her giving the baby a bottle because mom smells like breast milk. Dad will smell like, oh, okay, you're the bottle. And you give little bits throughout the day, not all at once. If you have an 8-pound baby, you don't give them 4 ounces of water all at once. You just give them an ounce here and there. This works. Once we started doing this, our incidence of newborn jaundice dropped 98%. Wow. Okay. So this works. And I just wanted to take a moment to explain to you because many of you will say, no, I was told it's not necessary. Well, guess what? As a doctor who's been in practice for decades, I was educated incorrectly too. And once we started doing the correct thing, our newborns just sail through that period and the new meconium comes out faster, jaundice is reduced, everybody's happier. So hopefully this common sense minute on why newborns need water has been very helpful. I will see you in the next minute. Have a great day.